So putting a finish on outdoor furniture is always a bit tricky. There's a few different ways to go at it. One is don't put any finish on it at all. Like if you've got sycamore or cedar, sand it smooth, let it weather. Another really good way is oil-based deck stain, the kind that you just spray on a deck. The nice thing about that, you spray it on, wipe it off. It's a nice finish, but it can be easily touched up and renewed as the years go by because sun, wind, and rain will always win over any finish. A more durable outdoor finish would be some sort of weatherproof or outdoor-based polyurethane, or the best is spar varnish. Spar varnish will seal the wood very well, and as it gets chalky, as it ages, you can sand it and then put another coat of spar varnish on it. Other outdoor finishes like polyurethane, you have to sand it all the way down to fresh wood. So that's why I prefer spar varnish. There's other ways to do it, but those are three pretty good ways.